I did a brief walkthrough of the main level where Mr. Estelli was, but I did also search upstairs in a room that was later identified as Kevin Ellis's.
How was it identified as Kevin Ellis's?
His California driver's license was in there, as well as his cell phone. There's also articles of clothing that appeared to belong to an adult male.
Did you find anything else in that room?
Yes, also on that nightstand where I located those, I found a rolled up $1 bill as well as a red hotel key card, and both had a white powdery substance on them. As I was typing the affidavit for the search warrant, I called a few of the responding officers who gave me a brief description of what they seen inside of the residence. They described multiple shell casings on the ground, and then I was able to observe the picture that Officer Laycock took of Mr. Estelli. The position of the knife in Mr. Estelli's hand stood out to me. It seemed odd and suspicious. It appeared that the blade of the knife was facing towards Mr. Estelli. His arm was also outstretched straight. So I did find it suspicious.
At some point, did you find out what hand the deceased was?
Yes, later it was told to us by Diane Estelli that Matt was left-handed primarily.
At what point did you figure out that the decedent had also been shot through the wrist?
That was a couple days later during the autopsy. I attended the autopsy, and that's when I first observed the wound in Mr. Estelli's right arm.
If I could turn your attention to number 191, what date is that Tracey searched, and what did she search?
So that is February 15th, 2024. At 7:09 a.m. It is searched. When is Donna Adelson next hearing?
And will you tell the jury who she is?
So Donna Adelson was arrested for...
Objection, Foundation.
When did you decide to figure out who she was?
So there's multiple searches in Tracey's internet history of the Adelson family.
Objection, non-responsive.
When did you first see the Donna Adelson search? What about those searches made you interested in who Donna Adelson was?
Just because of the frequency it was being searched.
On June 27th, did she search anything that had any evidentiary value to you?
Yes, on June 27th at 9:56 a.m., she searched Alpine Cemetery, 9:55 a.m., cemetery near Alpine, 9:54 a.m., cemetery American Fork, 9:54 a.m., cemetery, 9:38 a.m., Alpine Cemetery.
On July 12th, 2024, do you know how many searches were done on Tracey's phone?
Yes, there's one.
And do you know what time that was and what was searched?
At 2:13 p.m. on July 12th, 2024, she searches "It's Happening" meme.